Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: PAN, Aadhaar, bank account, and a canceled check. Once you have them, open a Zerodha account and follow the sign-up flow. Complete KYC and e-sign with your Aadhaar OTP so documents are verified quickly. Make sure to link your bank using UPI or add it for NEFT/IMPS transfers, because funding your account is the first actionable step. After verification, log into Kite Web or mobile. You're ready to deposit funds and move to buying. Once funds show up, search the stock ticker in Kite and review the last traded price, volume, and the one-day chart to confirm momentum. Check basic fundamentals to align with your time horizon. Then choose the correct order type: CNC for delivery, MIS for intraday, select market for immediate execution or limit to control price. Set quantity, and if using limit, input your target price, double-check product and exchange. After confirming, place the order and watch for execution notifications. After placing the order, confirm its status in the order book and notifications. Executed orders show as complete and pending ones as open. For delivery, CNC, expect shares and holdings after T+2 settlement. For intraday, MIS, the system auto squares off by market close if not closed manually. If an order is rejected or fails, check for insufficient funds, wrong product selected, or margin shortfall. Correct the issue. Cancel and resubmit if needed. Keep records and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.